Yung anak ko, big brother, mabait, may takot sa Diyos, mabuting anak, dahil masunurin.
Lahat ko mabait. Pero yung parating talagang yung dinadamayan ako sa lahat, yung umiyak ako, uiyak din siya, masaya ako. Sobrang saya niya. Excuses.
Sinasabi mo, I love you. I love you. Pinapakita mo sa akin sa mata-mata na ang dami mong mahal na magbibigay. Hindi ko alam kung gaano patagal ko. Hindi na ko po kayo. Whoever you are, you're like that. And that's why I love you. So thank you for giving me love every day. Na sobrang totoo. Wala kang mahanap ng pagmamahal na ganyan pati sa mga boyfriends. So, kahit ano mangyari sa'yo sa buhay mo, tuluyan mo lang yan yung pagmamahal mo sa mga ibang tao. Okay?
Where there is desire, there's gonna be a flame. And where there is a flame, someone's
Hi, I'm Janica and I would like to say that kung paano niyo nakikita si Kisses sa loob ng bahay, ganun rin siya sa labas. Yung sobrang pagkamabait niya, pagka-caring, pagka-loving, ganun talaga siya. Makikita mo sa mga mata niya na sobrang totoo niya. It would take me a whole day to explain everything, pero grabe, pag nakasama niyo siya, better than words lahat. Magugulat ka na lang na may mga ganun pa rin klaseng tao na sobrang genuine. Ayun lang. Mahal na mahal ko siya, sobra.
Kisses is kind, fun, sweet, wise beyond her age. She's the friend you'll ever ask for. You just can't get wrong with her.
Bilang isang fans, nakilala ko si Kisses as napakabait, napaka-sweet, napakalambing, napaka-selfless, at higit sa lahat, napaka-approachable sa lahat ng kanyang mga fans. Ganyan ko nakilala si Kisses.
Hi, Bunso. Lagi mong iisipin na nandito lang kami sumusuporta sa'yo kahit anong mangyari. Huwag mong iisipin yung mga taong gustong sirain ka dahil nandito kami. Mas marami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo at handa kang ipagtanggol sa lahat ng oras. At lagi kaming nandito para i-cheer you up every day. At lagi kaming nandito para magbigay ng good vibes sa'yo. And we love you. Take care always. Love you.
Lahat ng gusto niya. At pwede niyang piliin kahit sino lang yung kaibigan niya, pero hindi. Yan si Kisses Dalabin. At siya lang ang nag-iisang Kisses Dalabin na kakilala kong ganun. At siya lang ang kilala kong mayaman, na super down to earth, na hindi namumili ng kaibigan o kahit sino pa man. Kaming mga fans niya, sinasabi ko sa inyo, siya ay napakasweet na bata. Ang ibang artista, ibebeso ka lang. Pero siya, hahalikan ka dito at ikikis ka sa labi. Ganyan si Kisses Dalabin. Kaya alam ko kung sino siya. Kaya sa lahat ng musika po sa kanya, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Yun lang po.
Si Kisses, siya yung tipo ng tao na mapagmahal sa pamilya, sa kaibigan, sa lahat na sumusuporta sa kanya. Grabe. Wala na ako talaga masabi. On camera, off cam, kung ano siya, yun siya. Isa ako sa witness na yun. Kung gaano siya kamapagmahal.
Hindi ko po inaasahan na ganun siya kabait. As in, promise. Kung ano po yung nakikita niya sa TV.
just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try. You gotta get up and try. You gotta get up and try.
Pinagbabawal na ng mga staff kahit napapagalitan na siya. Sige, lapit. Sobrang mapagmahal niya at hindi po ako pagsasawang suportahan siya.
Kisses has been one of my closest friends ever since. Sa pagkakakalala sa kanya for more than 10 years na, she's one of the most maalaga, maalahanin, supportive, tsaka pinakamabait.
Kisses has been my classmate since we're in grade 2, and we've been seatmates since grade 4 to 4th year, like every subject because of our last names, and she's more than a classmate to me already. She's like my sister. We've shared many memories, good or bad, together, and we've been each other's diary since then. And I have to say that Kisses is really a wonderful person inside and out. She makes everyone happy. Even if she's not okay, she still has that capacity to make people happy. And she's been through a lot, but still, that pure and lovable person that she has inside is still there. No matter what happens, she's always patient, always kind to everyone. And I love her so much, and she means a lot to me.
Does it make you wanna cry when you're out there doing what you're doing? Are you just getting by? Tell me, are you just getting by? 'Cause where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame, and where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try.